Hi, this is Ferela from Any House Cleaning. Try to do an estimate for this new construction or for remodeling. This is a commercial store. I have two friends who does window cleaning. Check this out, please, and you tell me how much would you charge for just for the windows in and out. Okay. Let me record a little bit. The condition is this. We have to clean inside too, right? I'm just recording the windows, okay? I guess this will be windows. Okay. This is another front windows. We have to remove this, right? From the inside. Labels. Inside is like that, but you guys that have more experience than me, how much will you charge just for the windows? Okay. Side, we are in front of Walmart. It's a commercial building. Some bees. Okay. More windows. All this. Okay. So let me see. One big here. Let me do a zoom. On the side there is three. Okay, and inside the building we have to vacuum and do a new construction cleanup. Tomorrow we'll have to come to do an estimate, but I really want to do two different estimates. One including the windows and another one without. Okay, help me guys. Okay, bye Marcus, bye John Kimmel.